If you're dealing with fruit flies, mosquitoes, or other flying bugs inside your home, take a look at this mosquito trap. I pick up this one for my sunroom because we spent a lot of time there during the summer, and I wanted something that works without spray or strong chemicals. Inside the box, you will get a fly trap, uh, and 10 replacement sticky glue boards. So you are ready to start using it right away. Also in the box, you're gonna get the charging cable and the cube. Also, you're gonna get the user manual. What I like about the device is that it uses UV light with 365 nanometers to attract insects. Once the bugs get close, the built-in fan creates suction and pulls them onto the sticky trap inside. Uh, so you can put the sticky pad on the bottom. You need to open it from here, and when you open it, you just take the sticky pad, remove the top, make sure the sticky pad goes up on the, and then you can close it, and it's ready to work. Now you can turn it on from the top, bottom, and now you can see the white. There are two levels of white, this one, and then you can dim the white when you press this button right here, and then you can change the white again from here. You can see the UV light glowing on the top, and the fan is pulling air downwards into the trap. The insects are attracted to the light, and then they get captured onto the sticky pad. One tip from the instruction is to place the unit into darker area and let it run overnight for best results. This trap is designed for indoor use and works well in areas like kitchens, bedrooms, living rooms, offices, basements, sunrooms, and near house plants where the fruit flies are usually a problem. Another nice feature is that it's very quiet. You can run it during the day or overnight without it being distracting. Overall, I think this is a simple and effective solution if you are looking for a chemical-free way to help reduce fruit flies, mosquitoes, and other flying insects around your home.